So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to swap any crypto across any blockchain. So we're talking swapping Ethereum to Solana, swapping Polygon to Hyperliquid, or swapping Base to Arbitrum or any other chain in crypto, and much more. Make sure to stay tuned to the end as there's an airdrop reward bonus that you have to know about. So today we're doing a walkthrough of deBridge, your new favorite cross-chain bridge for crypto. Have you ever bridged money over to a blockchain, forgot about it for months, and then remembered that you have the money there and you decide to try and swap it back out? You search for a safe cross-chain swap on the chain, but you deal with fake, scammer, imposter links in Google search who just want to drain your wallet and take all your money. Well, today that problem is solved because we are talking about deBridge. So deBridge is integrated with the leading blockchain DeFi and security companies in the space to provide a super clean, easy to use, and simple bridging app for users, whether you're brand new to crypto or you're a seasoned pro. So let's jump in and show you how this works. So the first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to the debridge.finance website. Now I have the link in the description of this video, so you can click on it. You can return to this video in the future, click on it, and always get directed to the correct spot. But a pro tip is to actually add it to your favorites, so then you never accidentally click on a malicious link pretending to be deBridge. Now, once you hit the site, you want to click on the bridge button. Next thing you want to do is you want to connect your wallet here in the upper right. It supports a ton of different wallets, including Coinbase, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Phantom, Rabby, any wallet you can imagine. Today I'm going to be connecting my MetaMask, and you'll see you're successfully connected because it'll show your wallet up here on the right. Now, for the swap. So after you connect your wallet, actually doing the bridge is super easy. So first thing we want to do is in this You Pay section, you want to click on this drop down and you want to choose the blockchain from which you are sending your tokens. And you'll see when you click them, it'll populate with the list of the tokens you have as well as their balances. So today I'm going to be bridging ETH. Now, after you've chosen the chain from where you're sending the token, you can enter in your quantity. You can either type here directly, or you can toggle the button up here on the upper right, which says max. Then in the section down underneath, you want to choose the chain that you are sending your tokens to. So for this instance, I want this Ethereum to go to Abstract chain. Now you'll see this point indicator show up here on the left. Stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll share more on that in just one moment. So here on the right, it shows you the estimated time for the swap to complete. And then finally, you click confirm trade. You will get a pop-up from your wallet asking you to confirm it. And after you click it, then the bridge is off. And if we come over here and we check and we switch, let's say we pull up Abstract, you now see I have my $5 in Ethereum on Abstract. Super easy. So for most of you who are looking to bridge tokens, that is it. It is literally that simple. Now, in some instances, you may want to swap your token from one wallet. So in this case, I'm going to click Abstract Ethereum. And you want to receive ETH. So we'll enter in that amount and it'll populate with the balance. But you may want to send it to a different address. So instead of it returning to the same address. If that's the case, you click this toggle, trade and send to another address. You paste in that wallet. You would click connect, and then you would confirm the trade. Now, pro tip alert. If you are new to crypto, one thing you want to do anytime you're doing a movement of money, of crypto, is you always want to send a small balance first. And you want to make sure that that small balance arrives in your wallet before you go ahead and move a meaningful amount of money. So that's it. Now you can swap as much crypto as you want across any chain to your heart's content because you know deBridge has you covered. So now let's talk about the deBridge airdrop bonus. So deBridge is moving to a decentralized ownership of their network. And what that means is that the users who pay fees towards the deBridge treasury deserve a share in our collective and future success. So they've launched a points campaign to track who is using their application, who is swapping tokens, rewarding them with points, and those points will be tied to a token airdrop from deBridge. Now we're currently in season 2, and they've already executed an airdrop in coordination with their TGE for season 1 holders. But the good news is season 2 is now live, and for every swap that you do, you earn a bit of points, climb the leaderboard for your own token airdrop rewards. And best of all, you don't have to do anything different. You just swap tokens as you need to, and you earn those points, and they keep piling up. So there you have it. There is the guide on how you can go ahead and you can swap crypto across any blockchains, including swapping Ethereum to Solana, Polygon to Hyperliquid, Base to Arbitrum, or any other chain. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you're going to use deBridge, I do have my referral link down in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace!